So y'all know I can't sit my butt down. So after we finished renovating our bedroom, it was only right that I moved on to the closet because obviously it was long overdue. Like this closet is literally filled from the very bottom to the top. But before I did anything, I needed to switch out these light bulbs because y'all seen how dark and yellow it was in there. But after that, I went ahead and started taking out all of the shoes that I no longer wore. And then my ADHD kicked in and I moved on to the attic. This is where I store all of my winter clothes. And this is everything that did not make it into my closet for the winter. So it definitely had to go because obviously it's not going to get worn. And so I actually found the church that I'm going to be donating all of this stuff to. This church is actually a church that I've been to quite a bit, especially growing up. And they actually have a women's program that was in need of clothes and shoes and stuff. And so this time I wanted to be very intentional on where all of my things went to, because usually I just pack everything up and take it to Goodwill just for the convenience. But again, this time I just wanted to be more intentional, and I wanted to make sure that, you know, all of the things that I was getting rid of was going to just bless someone else. And so I really just, you know, wanted to make sure that I got as much as I could out of my closet. It was a lot of stuff, y'all.